All harmonics, right?
All, yes. So I don't know this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but whichever it is, the next one and this one, they are consecutive. This much okay? These two are consecutive, na?
Yes, sir.
So what is difference between consecutive and string? String vibrates with all harmonics. That is n, 2n, 3n dot dot dot. So what is difference between two consecutive?
Fundamental frequency.
Two consecutive will be always n. That is fundamental. This part who has not followed? Yes, have you followed this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अगर ये क्लोज्ड पाइप रहता तो n 3n 5n आता ना, मतलब डिफरेंस क्या होता फिर? 2n. Okay. If it is n 3n 5n 7n, what is difference between two consecutive? Is it 2?
Yes.
So now for me, difference between two consecutive is fundamental, which is 420 minus 315. Subtract, what you will get? 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 1 minus 1, 0. 101, correct? 105, correct?
Yes.
So what is lowest resonant frequency? That is fundamental. So this is my answer. Now followed. Now you have followed.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. After this, what about 57? Yes, Ashlesha, 57. Ila?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Because those who have not done, looking at the sum also you can realize you can do or you can't do. 58. 58. You want me to explain? Or you can do afterwards if you have not done?
No need, sir.
No need, na? 59. थोड़ा फास्ट बोलो. 59. ये फिर वे मोशन का भी कर रहे हैं.
No, sir, no doubt.
That means you will be able to do. Ayush, you only say. कौन सा आपको चाहिए?
Sir, 61.
61. Okay. I think 64 also then you will require. 61.
Yes, sir.
A wave in the string has amplitude of 2 centimeter. The wave travels in positive direction with speed of 128 meter per second. And it is noted that 5 complete wave fit in 4 meter. 5 complete wave means 5 times wavelength is 4 meter. Noted 4 meter length of the string. What is the equation of the wave? From V, A is given, V is given. What is formula of Y? It is A sine omega t minus kx. Clear?
Yes, sir.
A is 2 centimeter, matlab 0.02 meter. Omega can we get from this concept? What is V? Is it omega upon K?
Yes.
K means 2 pi by lambda. Barabar na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
2 pi by lambda means 2 pi. Lambda is 4 by 5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
पहला K निकाल लेता हूँ separately, then otherwise unnecessary will get confused. I want omega and K, substitute, मुझे आंसर मिल जाएगा. So since lambda is 4 by 5, so 2 pi by lambda is 4 by 5, which is K. 2 pi upon 4 by 5. So it is 10 pi upon 4, 2.5. Then B is omega upon K. B is 128 equal to omega. K is 2.5 lambda. Omega equals to hello? Yeah. क्या कुछ बांट रहे हैं क्या फिर? Omega equals to 128 into 2.5 lambda. 5 into 8 is 200. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 and 20 was carry. So it is 70. 0 carry 7. 25 into 7 is 32. After one digit decimal 5. Clear? This much clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you have got all the quantities, just have to substitute. So y is 0.02 sine of, they have given in the form kx first. So k is 2.5 lambda into x minus omega is 320 pi into t, which will match. Pi they have taken as 3.14 everywhere. So with 3.14 into 2.5 will become how much? Hello?
Yes, sir.
3.14 into 2.5 will become how much?
Sir, around 7.8.
Yes, sir.
85 x minus 1005 because 300 into 3000 क्या आसपास. So answer is C. Right solution.
Done, sir.
64 now. Standing wave is represented by y1 equal to 0.05 sine of 3 pi t minus 2x and y2 is 0.05 sine of 3 pi t plus 2x. Then amplitude of particle at x equal to 0.5. Formula for resultant amplitude is 2a cos of 2 pi x upon lambda. Do you know this formula? When both are sine, then this is formula, standard wala. Are you knowing this first? Yes? Hello?
No, sir, I had forgotten.
So, in case suppose you forget, then you find y1 plus y2. ये हो गया अपना like 0.05 sine of angle plus 0.05 sine of n. What is formula for this? 0.05 common. What will be formula? 2 times sine of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In case you forget, then तो you will get x वाला term amplitude होता है. So I am assuming we know that this formula. Now they want amplitude at distance of 0.5. So I'm just putting 0.5 value. R equals to 2 into a 0.05 cos of 2 pi by lambda. Is it k? Yes, 2 pi by lambda. Is it k?
Yes.
Yes.
Into that x given in our sum is 0.5. K मतलब इसका coefficient ना?
Yes, sir.
What is coefficient of x here?
2.
2. तो 2 into 0.5 हो गया. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ये एंगल रेडियन में है, रेडियन में. So it is 0.2 cos of 0.1 radian into, how to convert radian to degree? 180 upon pi in degree. I hope you followed. So pi into 60
Yes, sir.
मतलब nearly 0.1 नहीं 1 है. तो nearly 60 डिग्री आया. 60 डिग्री मतलब हाफ होता है. तो 0.1 के आसपास में आंसर. 0.1 का आसपास वाला मतलब इंटू 10 करेंगे तो 10 सेंटीमीटर आएगा. यस. सो कैन आई से ऑप्शन 10 सेंटीमीटर का आसपास में है किधर? नहीं 0.1 ही है. एंड सॉरी दिस इज इन मीटर. सो 9.98 कैन आई मैनेज दिस? सी इज द ऑप्शन.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझा बराबर? देखो क्या कर रहे हैं. पहले ये जब भी साइन साइन ऐड होता है ना तो स्टैंडर्ड वाला स्टेशनरी वेव है. नहीं समझता है तो ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से करो. अभी x का वैल्यू 0.5 एंड k का वैल्यू मतलब ये x का कोएफिशिएंट आया. बट ये रेडियन में है. आई कन्वर्टेड इनटू डिग्री. 60 से थोड़ा कम मतलब हाफ से थोड़ा ज्यादा आंसर होएगा. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So 0.5 when you multiply with 10, what you will get? 100, na? 10. So close to 10 is C option. This is the answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After this, which you want?
So,
Which one?
that's 0.1 cost, right?
0.5 into 2 will become 1, na?
Huh.
1 it is 1.
No, because in the next step, I think we took 0.2 cost.
So 2 into 0. Acha, haan, barabar. This is 0.1. 0.1. 0.1. So 0.5. Okay, correct. 0.5. So it will be B. B option. This is 0.2. After this 65, can you do, or you want me to explain?
Done, sir.
Okay. 66, 67.
No doubt, sir.
So now
70.
direct 70. Okay. 70. A sonometer wire is stretched by hanging metal bob. Sonometer wire is stretched by hanging metal bob. Frequency is N1. When the bob is completely immersed in water, then the frequency becomes N2. Okay. What is relative density? That means specific gravity. We know that T1 minus T2 is. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, here tension is supposed T1, here tension is T2. So can I say N1 upon N2 will become root of T1 by T2?
Yes, sir.
So N1 square upon N2 square is T1 by T2. Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Now T1 upon T2 I am writing equation. T1 minus T2 is nothing but loss of weight. Can I write T1 minus T2 is loss of weight?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Loss of weight is nothing but what? Density of water into volume immersed into G. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So now T1 minus T2, if I do N1 square minus N2 square upon N2 square, this is nothing but T1 minus T2 upon T2 by property of component.
Yes, sir.
T1 minus T2 relative density चाहिए. फिर आपको और easy समझाता हूँ. T1 N1 when tension is T1, N2 when immersed in water and tension is T2. Frequency is N2. So I know T1 minus T2 will become rho into of water into volume into G. Now T1 is nothing but density of solid into volume into G. So T2 will become density of solid into volume into G minus rho of water into volume into G. अभी इधर तक तो कुछ डाउट नहीं है ना मन में क्या है इधर तक okay. So N1 upon N2 is root of T1 by T2. Therefore N1 square upon N2 square is T1 upon T2. Therefore N1 square upon N2 square is rho of solid into V upon G, rho of solid into Vg minus rho of water into V. Vg, Vg, Vg I can cancel. I am dividing numerator and denominator by 1. So N1 square upon N2 square equals to rho of solid upon rho of water, rho of solid upon rho of water minus 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This whole thing is called relative density. Na? So N1 square upon N2 square is relative density upon relative density minus 1. So when you cross multiply, then N1 square D minus 1 equals to D into N2 square. Therefore N1 square D minus N2 minus N1 square is equals to N2 square. So therefore N1 square will be equals to N1 square D minus N2 square D. Now N1 square upon N1 square minus N2 square is D square. This is the required answer. N1 square upon n1 square minus n2 square is T. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is very good sum and important. It won't click at first instant.
Done, sir.
After this, 71.
75.
A stone is hung in wire which is stretched by sonometer. Bridges of sonometer are at 40 centimeter apart, which is in unison with tuning fork of frequency to 56 Hz. When the stone is completely immersed in water, the length between the bridge is 22 centimeter for having same unison. Then what is specific gravity of the stone? Specific gravity means relative density of the stone. अगर याद हो गया तो अभी जस्ट हम लोग ने किया वही है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
When the stone is completely immersed, then the length between the bridge is 22. That means 40 सेंटीमीटर वाला का रेजोनेंस और ये 22 वाले का रेजोनेंस सेम है ना, क्योंकि इसको आपने कम करके क्या कर दिया, सेम रेजोनेंट लाया, बराबर. Re-establish means what? N1, N2 frequency same.
Yes, sir.
Now I know N1 upon N2 is nothing but L2 upon L1 root of T2 by T1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this N1, N2 will get cancelled because they are same.
Yes.
L2 is 22, L1 is 40, root of T1 upon T2. Okay, this also clear? 2 into 11, 2 into 20, when you square, what you will get? When you square it,
121 by 400.
huh? Hello?
121 by 400.
400 T1 upon T2. Therefore, 400 T2 equals to 121 upon 400 T1. Now, specific gravity is equals to weight in air upon loss of weight. हो गया. That is T1 upon T1 minus 121 upon 400 T1. So it is T1 upon 400 minus 121 is equal to how much? 400 minus 121. So this is 400 T1 upon subtract it. What you will get?
279.
279 T1. So specific gravity is definitely more than 1. More than 1 एक ही ऑप्शन है ना, B. 2 2s are 4 के आसपास आएगा ना, it won't be 9. So B is my answer. Followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये अगर याद कर सकते हैं ना ऐसा आप, दिस इज नथिंग बट रिलेटिव डेंसिटी, तो भी चलेगा. अभी जिसके पहले किया ना सम, n1 स्क्वायर अपॉन n1 स्क्वायर माइनस n2 स्क्वायर इज रिलेटिव डेंसिटी, तो और शॉर्टकट हो जाएगा आपका सम. दिस इज रिलेटिव डेंसिटी. सो यू नो n1 n2 both are same. नहीं, प्रोवाइडेड लेंथ इज सेम नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, सॉरी, उसमें लेंथ सेम।
Done, sir.
Now I think everything is done, correct? We'll come
Yes, sir.
wave motion वाला sheet. Wave motion. First one आया? First one?
No, sir.
Which of the following does not represent traveling wave? First, who is traveling wave? Traveling wave has two variable x comma t with power 1, with power 1, that is y equals to a sin omega t minus kx type. So check कौन सा a type का नहीं है. फर्स्ट वाला फंक्शन ऑफ x एंड t है, सेकेंड वाला भी है, थर्ड वाला भी है, फोर्थ वाला खाली स्क्वायर में आ गया ना, सो t इज नॉट द ट्रैवलिंग वेव. क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay. After this, second, third,
Sir, can you send the solution of this?
इसका मिला नहीं आंसर की?
No, sir.
एक सेकंड रुको, अभी आंसर की भेजता हूँ, आप चेक करो. Now I have sent you the answer key.
So fourth one.
Come. One note I am writing. If this is traveling wave going in the medium, then all particles on left hand side of crest are moving downwards. All particles of left hand side of crest are moving downwards. All particles on right hand side of crest are moving upwards. ये चार पॉइंट आपको बहुत अच्छे से याद रखना है इन अ वेव. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट, थर्ड, all particles on लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ ट्रफ मूव्स अपवर्ड, मतलब ये सब अपवर्ड 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 है, ऐसा अपवर्ड. फोर्थ, all particles on right hand side of trough move downward. Please write all this point. Whenever there is transverse wave traveling in medium, right, left of crest down, right of crest up, left of trough up, and right is down.
Done, sir.
Now we can analyze fourth one. A, B, C, F, which four are in phase. In phase मतलब same जगह पे और moving up. A and G are in phase. थोड़ा A ऊपर होना चाहिए था. A and G both are in the crest का left hand side. That means both are moving downward. They are in phase with each other. Okay?
Yes, sir.
A and G. After this, till 10th, tell me where you have doubt.
So 7 and 8.
But fifth you got? Fifth is also good, Sam.
No,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
didn't pick one.
Fifth you want? Okay. Fifth में बोला है I'm reading first. Wave motion has the function as y equal to a naught sine of omega t minus kx. The graph in figure represents displacement y at a fixed point varying with time. Which of the following level point will show displacement equal to that at x equals to pi by 2k? pi by 2k पे कौन सा होगा? x equals to pi upon 2k at a time equal to 0. ठीक है. So if I put this y equals to a0 में k का value x का value as pi by 2k, so this will get cancelled and time is 0, so this will be a0 sine of minus pi by 2, that is nothing but a0 into minus 1. तो माइनस a0 वाला कौन सा पॉइंट है? इज इट क्यू? ये आंसर है. यस अनिकेत, यू फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
That is Q. Then seventh, na? After this,
Yes, sir.
please write sixth also, fifth one properly. Good, Sam?
Done, sir.
Seventh. When a wave is traveling in a medium, particle displacement are given by y equals to 0.03 sine of 2t minus 0.01 x. What is phase difference at a given interval of time between two particles at distance 25 meter apart? What is formula for phase difference in terms of distance? At given you know 2 pi x by lambda or 2 pi small t upon capital T. ये 2 pi by lambda मतलब क्या k है ना? ये K is 0.01 and X is given 25 meter. 2 pi by lambda is K and X is given 0.02 meter. That is equals to 100 into 1 upon 100 into 25 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. अच्छा इसलिए नहीं आया आपको. Omega t minus 0, find what is phase difference between the 2 points. It is K by X. K is 0.01 and X is 25 meter apart. This many radian by 4. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Is the answer given C?
Yes, sir.
तो शायद ना इधर पाई होगा बाहर, वो प्रिंट नहीं होगा. पाई बाहर पाई कर दो, हो गया. This will become into pi. After this 8, 9, 10.
8th one.
8. A wave has frequency of 50 hertz. The phase difference between two position of particle at interval of 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 second is 2 pi small t upon capital T, which is 2 pi n into t. So 2 pi into 50 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 100 pi into 5 into 10 raised to minus 3, which is 10 raised to minus 1 into 5 pi, that is 5 pi upon 10 equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 is the option D. Where you made mistake?
So somewhere in substitution only.
Then 9th and 10th made?
No, sir.
11th one?
11.
12.
Directly 12th.
Sir, 11th one.
ठीक है, 11th कर दो. 11th and 12th. The progressive wave of frequency 500 hertz is traveling with speed at a certain instant minimum time interval, after which rarefactional maximum occur at same point. Minimum time interval after which rarefactional maximum occurs at the same. तो एक वर्ड नहीं है, एक पॉइंट से गुजरा where compressional maximum is available. Then rarefaction maximum, say I'm showing like by crest and trough. So crest for me is compression and this is like rarefaction. तो compression का maximum और rarefaction का maximum के बीच में कितने का गैप है?
2a.
नहीं, half of time period है ना ये. टाइम का गैप, टाइम का. ये a अपवर्ड, ये डाउनवर्ड, तो ये रिपीट हुआ लेकिन हाफ टाइम पीरियड है ना.
Yes, sir.
टाइम पीरियड मींस 1 upon n. So 1 upon 1000. 1 upon 1000. ऑप्शन में है ही नहीं लगता है. वो 100 नहीं है, 1000 होना चाहिए. 1 upon 1000.
Done, sir.
After this 12th you want, na?
Yes, sir.
a transverse wave is passing through horizontal string. The figure represents the graph showing the shape of the string at certain instant. The picture is superimposed on this system to help you make necessary measurement. Second picture is the graph of displacement and along the string. Okay, तो एक ग्राफ ऐसा बताया which is x related, distance related, and second graph is time related. Second is time. What is meaning of distance from start to this one wave? Is it lambda? From the start to one wave, what is this distance? Is it lambda?
Yes, sir.
So from figure A, I can say that wavelength is 9 centimeter. And from figure B, from here it starts, again reaches at this position. मतलब एक wave complete. कितना time में? Is it 3 seconds? Yes, these two things cleared?
Yes, sir.
अभी वो लोग ने क्या पूछा है? What is the, how far does the wave travel along the string in 1 second? Oh, and नहीं, in 1 second. Change it. In 1 second. तो हो गया अभी 3 सेकंड में 9 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेकंड में कितना? कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा 1 सेकंड में?
3.
So distance in 1 second is 9/3. That is. Now doubt clear?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
After this, what about 13?
Yes, sir.
13. A particle. बहुत मिस्टेक है, स्टाफ को पता है, मिस्टेक वाला शीट भेज दिया मैंने. 13. A particle is executing SHM with phi equals to 8 sine 6 pi t and sends out the wave traveling at the speed of 200 centimeter per second in continuous medium. Resultant displacement of the particle, displacement मतलब y, displacement of particle when x is 150 centimeter and after time 1 second from vibration b is how much? See, if I get equation of wave which is a sine omega t minus kx, then putting x value and time value, can I get y का value? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
देखो ये वाइब्रेशन ऑफ पार्टिकल है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ वाइब्रेशन ऑफ वेव. सो व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला फॉर इक्वेशन ऑफ वेव? इट इज a sin omega t minus kx if traveling along positive side. A of particle, a of wave is same, so 8 sine and omega t is also same, so 6 pi t minus k is 2 pi by lambda into x. Any doubt in equation formation of equation? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, this is 8 sine 6 pi t is 1 second minus 2 pi lambda is v by n, x we want 150. So y is 8 sine 6 pi minus 2 pi into n upon v into 150. So this is 8 sine 6 pi, 2 pi n means omega, omega is 6 pi. This entire 2 pi n is omega, omega is 6 pi. upon V is 200 into 150. 2 pi n equal to omega equal to 6 pi. Okay. Now 50 into 3, 50 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. So y is 8 sine 6 pi minus 9 pi upon 2. So y will be 8, 6 2s are 12, 12 minus 9 is 3 pi by 2. Sine of 3 pi by 2. Here I am writing final. Y equals to 8 sine 12 minus 9, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 120.
Yes, sir.
What is sine 120? Ninety plus 30?
Yes, sir.
So 6 pi minus 9 pi upon 2. Displacement of vibration of B is how much? Just take second. Equation of wave फिर से लिखता हूँ. 13. Y is a sine omega t minus kx. So y is a sine omega from the previous one is 6 pi t minus k is 2 pi by lambda into x. So y is a sine 6 pi into 1 minus 2 pi into p by n into x. So this is a sine 6 pi minus 2 pi n means omega upon v into x. So y is a sine 6 pi omega is 6 pi. V is given as 200 and x is at 150 centimeter. So 50 into 4, 50 into 3, 2 into 2, 4, 2 3s are 6. I was correct at the start also. So this is 8 sine of 12 pi minus 9 pi upon 2. So y is 8 sine 3 pi by 2. 120 नहीं है 270 है. So it will be 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90 which quadrant? 180
Third.
plus third quadrant. So it will become minus sine 90. That is nothing but 8 into minus 1. So y equals to minus 8 centimeter. Minus 8 is 2. Say I wrote 3 pi by 2, but I thought 2 pi by 2. 120, which is wrong. So this is correct. Followed now? 13th?
Yes, sir.
After this, which sum you want?
Sir, 20.
14th. 14th एरर है, निग्लेक्ट कर दो उसको. 15th आया.
Yes, sir.
16th.
Yes.
15th, 16th, 17th, all you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 20th नहीं आया.
19th भी.
19th and 20, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Coming to
Yes.
19th. The equation of transverse wave in a stretched wire is y equals to 2 sine 2 pi tan t minus x upon 5, where x and y are in centimeter, t in second. What is maximum speed of the particle in meter? What is formula for maximum speed of particle?
A omega.
A is how much?
2.
2. And what is omega? 20 pi.
20 pi.
So 40 pi, that means 40 into 3.14, so 125.6. 125.6 is the answer. So you are not wrong. I think because of this printing error you got wrong. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is the same answer you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This answer. After this,
Sir, 20th.
20. The equation of traveling wave is 60 cos 180t minus 6x. 16 is 6x, where y is in micron. Y is in micron. So ये amplitude will be 60 micron. A 60 micron. The ratio of maximum velocity of particle to the velocity of wave. Are you remembering what is this ratio?
AK.
AK. A is 60 micron means 10 raised to minus 6 multiply. K is 6. 360 into 10 raised to minus 6 in meter. That means it will become 3.6 into 10 raised to minus 4, option B.
Done, sir.
After this,
So 21, 22.
the angle wave. नहीं 22 भी जाने दो ना, फिगर है ही नहीं ना उधर. 21 नहीं कर सकते, फिगर ही नहीं है, कुछ उल्टा सुल्टा टाइप हो गया. 22 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In sine wave, position of different particle at t0 is shown in the figure. The equation for wave, if it is traveling along x-axis, will be how much? Actually, इसमें भी wave नहीं है, वो particle ऐसा था कि at certain instant ये wave है. That means this all particles are moving down ना now.
Yes, sir.
t equal to 0 पे ऐसा था, उसके बाद ये नीचे आएगा ना, स्टार्ट से नहीं आया, ये t 0 पे था, देन इसका नेक्स्ट टाइम पे ऐसा आ जाएगा ना, एक टाइम पीरियड के बाद. ठीक है, तो इसका ग्राफ, इसका इक्वेशन होएगा माइनस a sin omega t minus kx. That we can write as a sin, ये माइनस अंदर लेके जाओ, omega t minus kx. So it will become kx minus omega t वाला टर्म. kx omega t वाला है इन C, उसका ऑप्शन B है. B मतलब ऐसा डायग्राम है, They are saying at t equal to 0, this is the diagram. Then what will happen in next interval? t 0 पे ऐसा है मतलब वो नीचे गिरने वाला है, इसलिए a नेगेटिव होगा. But diagram is not there, so it was not your mistake. What about 23, 24, 25?
24, 25.
24. 24. Speed of sound in P and Q. Abhi the density of metal is dash times that of metal Q. So again, not your fault. I am showing concept which I think you also might have done same. Concept is V is root of in solid Y upon rho, correct?
Yes, sir.
So speed in P upon in Q is Y in P upon Y in Q into density in Q upon density in P. Y is twice density of metal is twice that of Q, and Young's modulus of P is twice. Density in area Y is given Young's modulus of P is twice. So this is twice of YQ. Density of Q is Y of P is twice that of Q, and density of P is 9 by 2 times that of Q. So this will become 4 upon 9 in root. 2 by 3 is the requirement as per the value which I have given.
Done, sir.
Then which one?
So 25.
25.
5. Some number 25. Two sources S1 and S2 separated by 2 meter vibrate according to the equation y1 and y2. They send out the wave with velocity of 5. The amplitude of resultant motion of particle collinear with y1 y2 and located dash to the right at point to the right of y2. Okay. How to get resultant amplitude of two interfering wave? Any formula you remember? By principle of superposition?
Under root a1 square plus a2 square.
Absolutely right. Plus 2a1 a2
Plus
plus of.
2a1.
So if I get phase difference, that means I get the answer. So they are telling S1, S2 are separated by distance of 2 meter. There is certain point P on the right and collinear. Certain point in the right and collinear. So what will be path difference? Can you suggest? Wave S1 से जाके इधर आया और S2 से जाके आया, तो path difference will be S1P minus S2P, which is nothing but 2 meter. Okay. Yes, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
if I know path difference? So phase difference delta is 2 pi into x pi lambda. So it is 2 pi. Path difference is 2. Lambda we can find by using omega by k. If equation is given, 2 pi by lambda is v by n. Let me see now what is given. So this will become 2 pi n v into 2 is phase difference. Can you see t ka coefficient is pi? Can you see that? T ka coefficient is pi. Sin pi t means t ka coefficient is pi.
Yes, sir.
So omega is pi. V is 5 into 2. So this is my phase difference 2 pi by 5, which you can write 2.4 pi, which you can convert into degree 180 upon pi. That means it is 72 degree. Just copy this much to get phase difference. Copy till this to get phase difference 72.
None, sir.
Okay. Now my resultant amplitude formula for interfering wave is root of a1 square plus a2 square plus twice a1 a2 cos of phase difference. How much is a1? A1 is 0.03, a2 is also 0.03, 2 times 0.03, 0.03 into cos of 72 degree. So 0.03, 0.03 is nothing but 9 into 10 raised to minus 4 plus 9 into 10 raised to minus 4. 2 3 is 9, 18 into 10 raised to minus 4 cos of 70. Cos of 72 will be less than cos of 60, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is cos of 60? 0.5.
0.2.
0.5 है ना cos 60.
Yes.
अभी cos 72 0.5 से कम होगा ना, because as you go towards 90 degree side it goes on decreasing. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So roughly cos 72 will be close to 0.24 के आसपास में रहता है. I am taking nearly 0.3. So it will become 18 into 10 raised to minus 4 plus 5, 53 is a 40, 54. So approximately 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. मतलब ये 23 into 10 raised to minus 4. So root 23 into 10 raised to minus 2. The root 23 is close to root of 25. मतलब 5 के आसपास में चाहिए आंसर. तो D is the required answer. D is the required. 0.056. In exam, mostly they will give you what is cos 72.
Done, sir.
Next one. 26 also you might not have got, ना?
Yes, sir.
इसमें ना फेज डिफरेंस 90 आने वाला है. नेक्स्ट मतलब अपना रिजल्टेंट a1 square plus a2 square हो जाएगा. Two sources produces a wave of 350 hertz. It can't be 3.5. 350 hertz. They vibrate in the same phase. Particle P is vibrating under influence of these two waves. If the amplitude of same point produced by two waves is 0.3, 0.5, then resultant amplitude of the point P will become how much? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So here no, they have not given you path difference between 2 points, which I am writing. Two sound source, one is A, other is B. Produce wave of frequency 350 hertz. Yes, sir. Speed of sound भी वही है 350 meter per second. They vibrate in same phase. The particle P is somewhere at distance such that AP minus PB is 25 centimeter. Yes, so ये हो गया path difference. Path difference equals to 25 centimeter, that is 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So what will be phase difference? 2 pi into 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon lambda. I hope you followed this.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but 25 into 2, 50 pi into 10 raised to minus 2 upon V by N. V by N is 35, 350 upon 350 will get cancelled. So 50 pi into 10 raised to minus 2, 350 upon 350 cancel. So 50 pi upon 100, that means pi by 2. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if phase difference is 90, then result is Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
तो टू वेव, एक का 0.3 है, दूसरे का 0.4 है, दिया नहीं है, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 0.5, 0.3, 0.4, resultant is 0.5 if phase difference is 90.
Yes, sir.
So that is my required answer. Have you followed? उसमें ये दिया नहीं है path difference, तो AP minus PB 25 है. 27th you all got?
No, sir, I didn't
No,
get.
sir.
No, sir.
27. This logic followed 26th and 25th वाला?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ये
Yes, sir.
light के जैसा है, light chapter. Now 27. In Quincke's tube experiment, both U-tubes are adjusted so that detector detects a maximum sound for given tuning pore. If one of the tube is pulled by 34, so net pulling is what? Net displacement. Quincke's में आपको बताया था 2 times x होता है. कैसा रहता है ना apparatus? U-tube, फिर इसके अंदर एक ट्यूब रहता है ऐसे. So एक साइड से पुल किया by 32, तो इधर से भी 32 बाहर आता है ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
So net path difference will be 2 into 32, that is 64 centimeter. Then again maximum. So to get maximum, what should be the path difference? To get again maximum, 1 lambda or not? Hello? From light, when we get bright point at 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda. Okay?
Yes, sir.
तो दो consecutive के बीच में 1 lambda का फर्क. So 64 centimeter is 1 lambda, which is B by N. B is 340. इधर दिया नहीं, आप ब्रैकेट में लिख लो. B is 340 meter per second upon N. So N becomes 340 upon 320. Sorry, 320. 64 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is 32 into 10, 32 into 2, 2 into 5, 500 hertz is the answer. 500 hertz.
Done, sir.
Then what about 28, 29, 30?
So 29 and 30.
29. An observer while moving on a scooter hears sounds of two siren. Hears आएगा बीच में, दो siren का sound सुनता है. From opposite direction. If he travels along the direction of one, तो उसको beat सुनाई देगा ना. दो जगह से siren सुना, अभी एक का नजदीक गया तो उसका frequency ज्यादा होएगा, दूसरे से कम, तो he will be hearing beat frequency. He listens beat. Then 30 also.
Yes, sir.
A train is moving with constant speed along circular track. The engine of the train sounds with frequency F. The frequency heard by guard. Circular track है, मतलब guard और engine का बीच का distance will remain unchanged. So he will hear same frequency F, equal frequency. Okay, because relative displacement is not there.
Okay.
Then after this,
36.
Sir, 35.
35. 35 आपको बताया था मैंने एक सम फॉर्मूला, ट्रेन आके गया तो 2n vu अपॉन v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर यूज करना.
Yes, sir.
So difference of apparent of frequency perceived by the observer, ऐसा है वो, difference between frequency as perceived by observer when he approaches and moves away is 2. So beat frequency is 2% of original. This is 2n vu upon v square minus u square is 2n upon 100. This much okay?
Yes, sir.
अबे आंसर देखो, speed of source. If the speed of sound in air is 330, speed of source चाहिए आपको. तो ये u एक एक डिजिट में ना आंसर, मैक्सिमम 2 डिजिट. तो u square I can neglect. That means 2n vu upon v square is 2n upon 100. U square is neglected. U square मुझे आंसर से समझा, it can't be more than 2 digit. Now 2n cancel, 1v cancel, so you get u as v upon 100. V is given 300 upon 100, that is equals to. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after this,
36.
two sources of sound, each of frequency, are moving towards the observer with same speed. If the speed of sound is 300, the number of beat. ऐसा है, one moving towards other away वाला है print में. So same beat frequency is 2n du upon v square minus u square, which we can say 2n du upon v square. We cancel 2 into 360 into u is 300 and v is u is 5 and this is 300. आवेश, हेलो, गया क्या? अच्छा, अभी कितना है पीयूष को? अच्छा अच्छा पीयूष, अपना ये पीएनबी कितना है? ठीक है, हाँ नहीं, अपन अगर 30 एंड 50 में लगाते हैं तो पकड़ेगा क्या? 50? अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट मंथ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे अब वो नेक्स्ट मंथ? अच्छा, एक 10 मिनट में आपको करता हूँ। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so 2n vu upon v square, that means 2n is 360, u is given as 5, and sound is given as 300. So 5 into 60, 0 cancel, 6 into 6, 12. Now follow.
Yes, sir.
After this,
So 39.
39.
Yes, sir.
39.
Sir, 38 also.
38. Two sound waves are having frequency of 3 sine 4 naught 4 pi t and a by 2 a by 1. 4 sine 400 pi. Can you tell what is frequencies? Is it nothing but 200 and 202? By comparison, omega is 2 pi n. मैं direct लिखा. So beat frequency will be 2, na?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
And what is the intensity ratio? I maximum to I minimum. A1 plus A2 upon A1 minus A2 square. So 3 plus 4 upon 3 minus 4 square, 49. Not followed?
Got it, sir.
Option A. 39. 2 tuning 4 having frequency this much. When they are sounded together, they give 4 beat. After hearing maximum sound, okay. Beat frequency is 4. So what is time period of beat? Is it 1 by 4?
Yes, sir.
So that's saying after hearing maximum sound, अभी print नहीं हुआ है. After hearing maximum sound, next minimum will be heard when? इसका आधे के बाद ना? Time period आ गया, उधर printing नहीं है. So after hearing maximum sound, next maximum will be heard when? After 1 by 4. Okay? ये maximum, ये minimum, ये maximum. तो मैंने maximum सुना, वापस maximum कब सुनाई पड़ेगा? 1 by 4 के बाद ना?
Yes, sir.
And if they say minimum, then 1 by 8 के बाद, this is 1 by 8, this is 1 by 4. तो वो line print नहीं हुआ है. If it is minimum to be heard, then after 1 by 8. Same maximum after 1 by 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So today we stop here. Tomorrow will be our final touch up to this chapter, waves and oscillation ka full. Monday you will have test, and I want that you have to score minimum 160 out of 180. इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So tomorrow same time lecture, and we'll try to wind up everything. Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
ठीक है, तो tomorrow we'll meet. Please see to it that